Hi, this is Bob. I'm a guide on Get Set Up, and I'd like to tell you about a session that we're offering now called Staying Social on Social Media. Now, this session, it's a 1 hour session, and it's basically just an informal discussion in which a bunch of us get together and we share our experiences and ideas and helpful hints for other people on how to take advantage of social media platforms. The common ones include Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, Nextdoor, those type of things. And we all have a lot of good ideas to share. You know, you can use these platforms for everything from staying in touch with your friends and family to having discussions about culture, politics, whatever you're into, learning a new hobby, sharing photographs. Somebody last week was talking about learning a new language and practicing it with native speakers. Um, Even you can find a job, even if that's what you're interested in. So we always have a good time, and there's always a lot of good information being shared. I know I learn some new things every time I do one of these sessions, and I'm sure you will too. So I hope you'll join us at our next session on staying social on social media. Thank you.